Okay, it's the 27th of November, so let's have a look at the FTSE 100 for the trading week ahead. So the first thing we can see is our triangle has been respected. You can actually see price action has been climbing up the sloping support, and then the last few days it has been rejecting off of the resistance up above. So going into next week now, well, price action is definitely going to break one way or the other. Key things to remember, very, very similar to last week's analysis. This whole area up here is key resistance. It has reacted multiple times in the past. You can actually see back here on the 9th and the 10th, and this was during the election. You can see the market has absolutely tanked off of this level. It spiked up and then rejected back below it. Down below we have our triple bottom. Right here, right here, right here. It's also lining up with the price action right back here. So basically what we're looking for is the market to break one way or the other. One of the main things I always go over is to watch out for the false breaks. Now, the reason for this is if we look into the last couple of weeks, you can see the market has made multiple false breaks, and during quite a lot of these, traders are going to try and get into breakout moves. So as it breaks up, they're going to get into long positions, expecting this to be the break. Down here, they're going to get into short positions. Up here, with this spike up, lots of traders would have tried to get in here on long breakout moves, looking at price action breaking the key resistance area, and then the market just comes back down. You want to wait for confirmation. So what am I looking at next week? Well, it's all about these two zones right here. Which one breaks? The first thing I'm going to be watching for is the break of the triangle up into either of these zones. When I see that, I will then be watching at these areas for potential resistance up here, support down here, with the market pushing back up, making a retrace, potentially into the triangle. Let me just draw this a little bit better. So if it happens at the start of the week, the retrace back into these sloping support and resistance lines, and then potentially the continuation. After that, I am watching to see if either of these levels break. If they do, it's going to give more direction to this market. If they break and hold, we don't want to see false breaks. We want to see price action breaking above, trading above, and holding above. If we do, resistance is going to become what? Key support. Moving forward. Support, if it breaks, is going to become key resistance for potential sell positions. And those are the key things for next week. So at the start of the week, we want to see price action breaking the triangle and holding whichever side it breaks. We have the potential to look for trades which return toward the triangle after we reach these key areas, and then I'll be looking for the breaks of these levels and potential continuation. Okay guys, so as always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.